concentration. So we measure, okay? So what we do now, actually, after we plot the standard curve, okay? So we have no idea about the concentration, okay? So what I do is we measure the absorbance, and then we can find out the appropriate concentration, okay? So of course, for sure, we have formula. We don't need to use the ruler and then we plot out the concentration. You just insert the formula. So we got a y here, and then the y is the sum of the figures, okay? The figures equal to, and we have the figures x plus c, and then you need to show the calculation here. But anyway, so this part is to find out the unknown, okay, solutions concentration. Part B 係做咩咧？就係今次啦，我哋頭先揾到個 standard curve 啦，即係個標準嘅圖啦，即係個 FMN。今次任務乜嘢咧？就唔知個濃度，所以咧我哋將佢咧稀釋到一個嘅 DF 啦，一個 dilution factor 啦，跟住就會量度佢嘅 absorbance， 揾翻透過頭先你哋揾到個 formula 揾翻佢嘅濃度嘅，得唔得？好唔 OK 啊？大家呢度 any problem here? Any questions? No? Okay, so let's watch the video. Okay, 我睇圖啦。Okay, be careful of the video now. Okay. 等陣啊，妹仔，熄咗個圖，刪咗。sorry 啊。Okay, ready? Okay, get set and go. Okay. Sorry. Right, so this is I will prepare two dilution of the tube 1 and tube 2. So watch carefully how much of the unknown solution and how much of water there, okay? So firstly, the tube 1, okay, the tube 1. Okay, watch it carefully, okay? So how much? 2. Okay, so water is 2 ml, okay? How much of the, watch it carefully, okay? So how much? Okay, get it? Okay, now I will measure the absorbance, the value of absorbance of this unknown concentration. Okay. Okay, so this is the figures. Okay, the figures. Okay, so H2O, I add. Okay, so Oh no, sorry. Okay, connection problem. Okay, sorry. Okay. Some connection problem. Okay, I'm not gone. I'm here. Okay. Okay, so the FMN. Okay, so FMN is 2 mil. Get it? Okay. 有冇問題啊 ？OK 嗱，抄低個數字啦，1.152，同埋呢個啦，水幾多 FMN 幾多嗱，自己抄啦。OK， 我俾5秒啊，5、2、1、0，講完 OK。clear 咗先。OK， tube 1 finish， tube 2。Okay, now because I skipped it, sorry, I skipped it. So how much water? 3 ml of water. One ml of FMN. Okay, get it? Any questions? 咁我就 skip 咗啦。嗱，3 ml 嘅水嘅，3 ml, 3 ml of water and 1 ml of unknown FMN. Okay. Okay, so copy the numbers down for tube 2. Okay, tube 2. Okay. Okay, 3 ml of water and 1 ml of the FMN. And the figure is 0.584. Okay. Okay, so that's all about the video, the demonstration. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's what I did on the lab demonstration. Okay, so we'll move on the lab menu here. Okay. So already, so fill the blanks here. Okay. So fill the blanks for the unknown. Okay, for the unknown one. Okay. Is 2 is 1 3, and you need to fill in the dilution factors by you. Okay, so you need to do it by yourself, and then you have already copied down the figures. Okay, now the next step is you need to show your calculations and at this blank. Okay, at this space. Okay. So you need to draw, okay, so this is the tube 1. So you need to show 2 calculations, okay? The tube 1, tube 1, okay, and then y is equal to mx plus c, okay, and multiply the df, so you get x is equal to, okay, y minus c over y, okay, and then multiply by df, that's it, and then your result. Okay, get it? So the tube number 1, and then tube number 2, exactly the same thing. So you need to show me 2 calculations, right? Okay, so up to here, any question you want to ask me? 好啦，一定咁啊呢幅圖咧就會將你個計數嗰個 tube 1同 tube 2個計數過程都要 show 出嚟嘅。OK， 除啊 over 啊，哦 OK。X 咪咩啊？睇先，你揾 X 嘛，揾到 X 嘛 ，Y 知啦嘛，咪 Y 減 C 括弧除以 M，sorry 除 M，我講一次啦 ，OK 咁樣啊，即係因為我唔可以俾即係咁啦，係 Y 等於 MX 加 C， 咁啊就咪 X 咪等於呢個 Y 減 C over 翻嗰個 M 咯，咁跟住啦，括弧啦，乘翻個 DF 就係個答案啦。Okay, any question? This is the tube 1 and tube 2, tube 1 and 2. So both calculation step. So you need to show me 2 calculations， 兩個嘅計法都要 show 嘅 ，tube 1同 tube 2都要計嘅，得唔得？好，去到呢個 moment 大家 O 唔 OK？Any question up to here? No then, good. Okay, so we move on the final step, the final session, the C part C. So B1, so which one is valid? Tube 1 and tube 2, which one is right? 邊個係啱嘅？一定係2。So which of the concentration is valid? So 1 or 2. And you need to explain to me why. Okay, this is question 1. So question 2, as I said, why I need to zero the water before make the measurements. And why the length is 1 cm. Okay, all the cuvette has to be same of the path length. And for the lecture 3, so this is for the explain 2 functions, features. You can add to buy more advanced spectrophotometer. So this is a really basic one. So if you have a choice, so what the advanced, okay, fixed functions can be added, okay? So can be added on the spectrophotometer, okay? So you can read the lecture notes, lecture 3. Okay, so there are different types, okay, the double beam or the plate or other thing that make it easier, okay, to do the measurements, okay? So the final one is part C, okay, so firstly, the B1. Now, after you have made the calculations, you can make a tube 1 or tube 2. And tube 2, after you make a tube 1 and tube 2 calculations, so tube 2 or tube 1 is used as the valid figures. You pick up 1 or 2, you need to explain to me why. Second, the blank solutions. So remember the video I showed you, okay? So let me just show you a video, okay? The video. So I just fast forward the video, okay? So this is a blank solutions, and do once, okay? Do once, okay? Zero it, and you need to do all the time. So you need to blank it, okay? So this is question 2, why you need to blank the solutions, okay? This is a blank, this is a solvent, which is water, and then you put it, okay, on the, okay, the spectrophotometer. Okay. And then you close the tab. So this is 0. So I need to 0 it. So this is the blank. Okay, this is a blank. Setting the blank. Okay. That's it. So this is 0. I need to 0 it. So 0 is a blank solutions. So why we need to do this step? Okay. So this is question 2. 3, the path length. So why the cuvette is 1 cm the path length? All the cuvette from tube 1, tube 2, tube 3, tube 4, 5, we use the standardized of the path length. And why then? Why must? And the final question is, so explain, so after you suggest it, and you to explain it, okay, explain that, okay? So that's it for today's lab, okay? So we finished off the demonstration, and I have already explained the figures and so how to construct a graph, and then you need to answer the session C, the questions in the session C. So I leave about 10 minutes for Q&A. So if you have any questions, you can ask me now. Okay, if you are happy with that, you can leave the chat room. And for the QT, please stay behind. Okay, I'll put you in the waiting room. Okay, and I will have a QT meetings after the end of this practical. Okay, thank you.